In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep completed tasks on Todoist. Whether you're managing personal projects, work tasks, or just daily errands, knowing how to keep track of everything you've accomplished can be really rewarding and helpful for future planning. So, let's dive in and make sure those completed tasks don't just vanish into thin air. First things first, open your web browser and head to the Todoist homepage. It's always a good practice to bookmark it if it's a tool you frequently use. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the website link to get started. This should be pretty straightforward, especially if you're already familiar with navigating web pages. Next, on the homepage, locate the login button. This is where you'll access your personal Todoist account. If you haven't already created an account, you'll need to do that first, but assuming you have, go ahead and click to log in. Now you'll need to select your preferred login method. In this case, I'm going to choose to continue with Google because it's fast and convenient, especially if you have multiple accounts linked for different purposes like work or personal tasks. Once you're logged in, you'll likely land on your dashboard or today's tasks page. On the left side, there's a menu bar where you'll find various options. Look for the Completed tab. It's your gateway to viewing all the tasks you've marked as done. Give it a click and you'll see a list of everything you've accomplished. This can be quite satisfying seeing all that hard work add up. Now find the specific task you want to keep. This is key if you need to refer back to it later for any reason. Maybe to recall what you did in a project or to replicate it in future tasks. Once you've located the task, click on it to open more options. You'll see 3 dots indicating more actions. Clicking on these dots opens up a menu with several choices. Among the options, you can choose to click on Complete Forever to keep the task permanently marked as done. This is useful if you want to ensure it's archived properly. Alternatively, you might find the option to duplicate the task, so you can set it up for future to-dos, or perhaps you want to copy the link to share with a colleague or a friend. There's also the possibility to view task activity, which can be handy if you're tracking progress or need a deeper dive into your productivity. And if you need, you can print it or delete unnecessary tasks from your list to keep everything tidy. Once you've made your selections, all you need to do is close out of this section. It's as simple as that. And there you have it, your completed tasks are kept safe and sound, ready to be reviewed or repeated whenever necessary. This little bit of organization can really make a difference in managing your workload efficiently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check back for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of Todoist and other productivity tools.